Now, let's study about the occupational structure of the country at that time, that is during the British period. As such, there was not significant change in the working persons at that time. No striking change was visible at that time, and most of the people, as earlier, were dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. But there was a growing regional variation at that time, which means that certain areas like Madras Presidency, comprising of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, and certain areas of West Bengal, of course saw a decline in the agricultural workforce because of the new manufacturing units which had been set up, and also because of the other sectors like the service sector which had increased. But other areas like Orissa, Rajasthan and Punjab saw a great increase in the workforce of the people in the agricultural sector. So, as far as occupational structure is concerned of India at that time, not much of the variations have occurred. It has remained almost the same as it was earlier, but of course the changes could be noticed from region to region depending upon the new industries or new areas of employment which were being generated. But overall, the scenario remained the same.